Hi, welcome back. In this lecture, we'll look into bitwise operators, and here are the Python bitwise operators. The left shift with two angular brackets, the left angular brackets, and right shift with two right angular brackets, and these are bitwise and bitwise or operator, and this is a bitwise exclusive or operator, and this is a bitwise this a tilde sign is a bitwise not operator, and this exclusive or is a caret sign, and this a pipe sign is for bitwise or, and sign, this is and sign for bitwise or. And actually in real world programming we hardly use bitwise operators, but I'll just show a few examples with left shift and right shift. Let us say we have x equal to 10, and if you shift x by if you shift x by left shift by 1, we can write as a 1, that is and you get 20. Let us say why we got 20. The binary representation of x is 10 10. Let me comment on this. Binary representation of x is 10 10. When you left shift by 1, it becomes 10 10 and 0. And if you add up the place values for this binary notation, you get here the place values are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So if we will have 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0, that gives you 20. That's how you got 20. And similarly, if you shift x by two places, then you will get 40. Still it is x is still 10, and if you shift it to with 2 times, then you get 40. Then let us say right shift. Suppose let us say what is x now. X is 10. Suppose if you shift it right by 1 place, x shift by 1, you'll get 5. It is first thing is when you shift it left, it is like multiplying with 2. Multiplying, that's why you got 20. Originally it was 10, it became 20. Similarly, when you shift it twice, you got 40. 10 becomes 20 and 20 becomes 40. And similarly here in the right shift, it is like dividing with 2, because the 10 by 2 is 5. That's why you got a 5 here. That is about right shifting. And if you want to see the binary representation of this, 10 is 10 10, and if right shift, it becomes 101. 101 equivalent to 4 plus 0 plus 1, that is 5. That's how we got 5 there. So that is about left shift and right shift. Basically you have to remember that when you are shifting left, you are multiplying by 2, and when you are shifting right, you are dividing by 2. Let us see the other operators. This is a bitwise operator. I don't want to go deep because we hardly use these operators. Even left shift and right shift also we hardly use, so I don't want to spend much time on this. Basically you just have a look what are the bitwise operators available in the language. So it's a left shift with two angular brackets, left angular brackets, and right with the two right angular brackets, and this is a bitwise and a bitwise or, and this is the exclusive or and bitwise not. Okay, In the next section, we'll look into comparison operators. Okay, thanks.